What's up guys? I'm Jenny with DTF Superstore and today I'm gonna show you how to DTF denim. Obviously we know DTF and denim works great together. So I'm gonna show you just how to utilize different denim items and really wanna give you guys ideas for more products that you can provide to your customers. Let's get into it. So I'm gonna start with the biggest item first. And my inspo for this is when I was little, my mom had this pair of jeans that were like a floral pattern, but the pattern itself was dyed into the denim. So what I did to get this look is I had a bunch of white flowers and I put them on top of a photo of my jeans. Then I faded the flowers, eyedroppered what color the flowers were when they were faded, and then filled them in with that color. So now they kind of have that bleached and dyed look, but still appear to be white. And then to add to that, I did a very heavy distressed mask on top of all of the flowers and made sure that the distress was pretty random, so I got a wide variety of different distress levels on my flowers. So after I made this entire sheet, I did large flowers that are roughly 3 inches. Then I printed the exact same ones. Like I have the super small ones here. They're probably maybe 1/4 inch. And then I have some that are about 1/2 inch. And then I have some flowers that are 1 inch big. And so I didn't want this to look like a repeating pattern. So even though I have these in squares, it's gonna be just individual flowers and I'm just gonna place them randomly. I'm gonna do my large ones and then fill in like these super tiny ones and then the medium sized ones. So I'm very excited for this. So without further ado, I'm gonna start pressing. I do for denim have my heat press at 285. I'm gonna pre-press the denim to just get some moisture out. I'm just gonna do like a very quick pre-press, probably of everything, and then get going. So I'm gonna go ahead and put in my pressing pillow and I'm gonna do that for the entire process. So these are what my first 2 look like. And so this is the exact look I wanted to go for here. The hand fill is incredible. I am very happy with how cute that is. So I'm just gonna keep going with this. Okay, so this is what half looks like so far, and I could not be more pleased. What I did is I actually kind of went in sections and rotated my pressing pillow around. It looks very cohesive and it looks very together. The pattern wraps around and it wraps around very smoothly versus it, it literally having a cutoff at the seam, and it does look like just a front and a back. Now it's the actual denim's wrapping around me, and so is my pattern. So that is my biggest advice for this. I am done. Look how cute these are! And like I said, my inspo was this pair of pants that my mom had when I was a little kid, and they were like Tinkerbell themed pants. So I made Tinkerbell, like an embroidered Tinkerbell. So there's a bunch of really cool plugins out there that can turn images in Photoshop into like an embroidery look. And so I went ahead and made like a vector image of Tinkerbell, ran this plugin, but I am gonna top off these pants with a Tinkerbell. All right, and there's that embroidered Tinkerbell on the back. It looks really cute. So our first item is down, and that is how you DTF jeans. You can really freestyle this or you can plan it out, but let's get to our next item now. I am so happy with these. I can't wait to wear these. I might put these on now, actually. Alrighty guys, I got these on and I am obsessed. There are a few spots I definitely want to touch up after I'm done filming, but look how cute these are. Like, oh, I'm obsessed. So I know we've done a denim jacket before. A lot of times for weddings, the bridesmaids, when they're getting like their hair and the makeup done, they wear button-ups, and typically the bride will get the bridesmaids, matching shirt. So that's like what my inspiration is. So we do have like a little monogram right here that will go on the front, and then whatever you want to call your party, that's what we're gonna put on the back. I am gonna start with the Maid of Honor graphic first. Very excited for how this will turn out. I'm definitely gonna do a pressing pillow since there are buttons, and I do want everything to end up as even as possible. So on this button up, there is just a perfect little panel right here. So I'm kind of doing it like the jersey long sleeve shirts you see. And then the Maid of Honor will go right here. And then again, monogram will go on the front. Awesome. There we go. So here's the back right here. Maid of Honor. All right, and then now it is time to do the little monogram. Oh, that is lovely. Here's the back, Maid of Honor. And then here is the monogram.
So my inspo for this was definitely to have matching button-ups for the hair and makeup for your bridal party, but this would be a great party favor for really any kind of event. But now that we have this finished, let's get on to the denim shorts.
All right, so with these denim shorts, obviously wanted to do something way different than what I just did with my jeans itself. So I went ahead and printed out these checkered patterns, and I think what I'm just gonna go for here, just put them on the back pockets of these pants. So what I'm doing here is just taping down the graphic using a knife to cut out the exact shape of the pocket. Again, with how lumpy a lot of pieces of denim, like fabrics, end up being, again, pressing pillow all the time. All right. Okay, pressure was too much. So y'all, I'm so sore. All this pressing, like my abs right here. All right, now, second press. Awesome. These are so cute. Look, it's always a cute little checkered pattern. Tell me which one you guys like more, the smaller checker or this larger color. Kind of very happy with both. I think I might just do one of my big flowers on the front really quick.
I'm really happy with how the shorts came out. Personally, I wouldn't do 2 different colors or sizes, but I really just wanted to showcase what that would look like to you guys. So now we're gonna move on to the denim hat, but I gotta take a lunch break first.
Hey, it's Phil with DTF Superstore. While Jenny's out having lunch, why don't you hit that little subscribe button? And I'm gonna press some of these flowers on the hat for her. Okay, bye. Yes. Oh, it's pretty. Okay, she should be back any second now. Oh my God, that was quick. Here.
Well, thank you so much, Phil. This looks adorable. You killed it. Look at you. All right, well, Phil, thank you so much for actually doing the hat for me so I can take my lunch break.
You got it.
And also, who doesn't love having Phil with us, right? Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Phil, for finishing up with this hat for me. I hope that this video was just a really good inspiration for you guys on the different things that you can expand your business with.
Hey, and subscribe because we got a lot more great videos coming. We've got denim hat done, but next up, I'm gonna do a cowboy hat.
And I don't know if you guys can see our sneakers in the background. We got some custom sneakers coming up, custom canvas shoes. So much
Just
going
hit
on.
subscribe. Those are coming.